but units are now selling for $1 million. What in the f is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The flea market. This is 5:10 in the morning. We got here early. Oh look, Lockerness is here. Oh wait, that's just his hat. Tony's here. Uncle Michael's here. Everybody else. We're gonna get started. Lots to do today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. This is the load. It's a 10 by 15. We floated it in, and we're gonna get started. We have. Oh yeah.
130,
130, 140, yeah. 25 for the nail gun.
140, okay?
All right.
The toolbox, only empty the toolbox.
The toolbox empty is 25. I got some nicer, a little bit nicer ones next week.
20 bucks.
Husky.
2 toolboxes.
I'll finish cleaning this up in a second after I'm done doing the pricing. You know, those come out. This TV is 400, that TV is 250. Let me find a bucket or something.
What's 250?
400 and 250. This one here is 100. Here's a whole tote for them, sir.
Give me $10 for the bowl.
Uncle Michael, will you empty this upside down here for him? This is 75. This is 25, and this right here is 30, and that is 10, and those are 5, and the bag is 5. So 35, 45, 25 makes 65, 70, and that is 75. You're at 145. No. Okay. It's just junk. There's a couple tools, but we just unloaded at the flea market. Here we are. Look at this. And the trailer is done. We're gonna go park and get ready to go because we're gonna leave and go load 4 units and finish our week. And Tony is gonna sell. So the booth is all set up. This is Tony. He's doing a reroute. A reroute. Got everything unloaded. I'm gonna tell you guys, the flea market becomes a stressful place. I don't think the people who shop here quite have respect for what it is you're doing, and they're just like real pushy and edgy, and they don't know when to stop, you know? So I get a little frustrated. My patience gets thin here. I'm gonna have to start just like, we're not gonna be open until we're set up. I think I see why that one guy does it in the Concord, and it pisses me off because I'm always there waiting, but I can't stand this like, you know, stopping. Like, we're gonna start like when we're done. We should try that. No selling till we're set up, and then everybody's here looking at it. There is no, you're the first one looking at it. What do you guys think? Comment below if you think that's the way to go. All right, we got ice
This is
chest.
one drawer. See it?
I do not. It might be broken. Might not have made it. Do you see it in a box, Tony? The sofa set is beautiful.
Nice.
See right here.
The bump for the ball.
Up, down, electronic.
Down.
Yeah. The TV is yet to sell as well. Nor is that one. We've sold a fair amount of tools already. Dressers are going to be a little tough. Those ones all right, but the handles are kind of messed up. Somebody decided to write Michelle in here, so thanks, Michelle. And yeah. The goal is to get up out of here soon. Tony's going to be the salesman. He'll have the cleanup crew help him. Tony, did you bring a tarp today by chance? Yeah. Oh, look at you go.
I'm on it.
Tony gets like a B+ for effort today. Not quite an A, but he gets a B.
Yeah, here's the case. It wasn't that case. You might as well buy a big TV for it too. 70 inch. How much on the woman? Actually, we have 3 of them.
40 for the wagon. We have 4 of them technically. Sweet. Thank you.
I take out later, okay?
I won't let nobody sit in it.
Yeah.
So real quick, just sold this set for $500 as you saw, so that's nice. Huh? Give me 4. 3.
See, I said 5.
Give me 3.
Down like it was
So we got 500 for this cash money. Nice.
Right there.
Thank you. Let's see where that puts us at for the morning so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. So we're basically at 900 bucks, and it is
okay.
9:59, 6:59. All right, it is just 8 o'clock. We're leaving. By we, I mean me and Uncle Michael.
Boss.
The boss. The boss.
The boss.
And we got Tony over here. Hey, my guy over there. So, yeah, see, we're getting yelled at for leaving. We got to go pick up 4 units, small ones, some good stuff. We got to get our load ready for tomorrow. And there's Tony. He'll wrap it up, put it in a pile. It'll be sitting there tomorrow morning, which you'll see in the next videos somewhere. But one cool thing is that we have pretty much made it in and out, and we sold $1,000 out of a $208 storage unit, and we're off to do the next, and I'm very happy about that. Once again, shout out to the little woman for hitting a home run. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, we are here at another storage unit. Believe it or not, I'm the storage auction pirate, and we buy storage units for a living. We bought this one here, paid a little bit much. I had not have nothing at the time, so I went on a streak. You'll see I bought a $1 unit. The next video will be right across the way, $1 unit, right over there somewhere. And then after I bought the $1 unit, I'm all in. So this unit came up. I don't know why the guy ran me up so much. I'm a little upset with him for that. Thanks, guy, who ran me up. He thought that the stuff in the back was a certain kind of item, and he was wrong. Let's get to it and find out right now what we got. Tons to go through. It's not like a different type of item. You can probably do some crazy right off the bat. The things that made me go so high on this unit, it wasn't the tires, but these look all sellable, right? I think these are 20, 30 bucks a piece on the tires. Do you see anything wrong with them? Like, look, that's full tread, full tread.
No, this is all, these are like, what Rico like.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, 20, 30 bucks a pop. Then there's some here.
I wonder where,
might even be some trailer tires. We're gonna get them all out. I'll see if there's anything special about them. We came back here, look at this. This is a full set of these. Granted, they're missing whatever this is right here. It's like broken because they took the lock off, but still the tires are great. I think that's 200 bucks just because of the tires. Then there's another set here with a cart. There's lots of carts, but what the gentleman bid me up on is he thought these, don't ask me why, Stinky thought these were for cleaning hazardous when you get stuff in your eyes. So he ran me up because of that. He didn't run me up, he wanted the unit. That's, I'll say that, but they're brand new. I'm thinking 30, 40 bucks a piece. They're 120 on the store. They're actually for growing. You could use those for growing. You put them in the thing and you get the clones on them. Whatever. A whole bunch of them. We're gonna start going through this, make a video. So you have to excuse the noise. We got somebody over here working and stuff, so it's gonna be in the background, guys. 195 65 R15 tread is actually, this is like brand new, or little use, I should say. So that's 20 bucks. And we got a matching set here, Goodyear. That's the same tire I just put in there.
the 195?
Yeah, it was the same exact match.
4 or 5 boat anchors.
That's kind of cool. Let's real quick see what is in this unit. Somebody opening that up. So we have, looks like they were in the cars. Uncle Michael, you want a new speedometer for your truck? These look old. And oh, maybe they're for boats. That could be. A tripod right there. There's some old boat parts for you, or car parts for your truck.
I don't need car parts in my truck. My truck is solid.
Solid as a rock. That's 10 bucks right there. And then we got movies. I gotta be careful. I don't want to put any inappropriate movies on here. Traveling 3. What the is going on there? They film. This is unique. Okay. We got a fan. I'm a fan of this unit. Coming in here. And we have, ooh, some type of boat tops. Those might be kind of good. If we can figure out what boat they go to. Why are we getting boat stuff? Notice that?
You just notice all them anchors?
Oh yeah, that's part of the reason why I bought it, but I haven't got that. I don't want to ruin the excitement here, right? Everybody, we do have anchors coming up. Try to be suspenseful, you know. Mossimo. Looks like a couple cheap bags here. Nothing expensive, nothing to write home about. A couple bucks a piece. Is there anything here at the bottom though? No. And that is it for this bag. Okay. Now we have some more bags here. And then we're gonna get to the stuff that Uncle Michael was talking about, which is underneath here. And I think that those will help me get my money back, because that was kind of the thing that I was thinking. When I bought this unit, the little woman thought I was crazy. She's like, what are you doing? Why do you spend so much on that? And I was like, hold on, babe. It's like, you look at these tires. You got to figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus the 4 out there. That is 19 tires, and I think an average of 20 bucks. They're all good treads. So that's my money back in my eyes. But we got boat rope. We got boat rope. So we got this whole pile a boat rope, which is good rope, but under the boat rope is a boat anchor. That to me, that represents 50 bucks right there. Should be an easy 50 bucks. What do you think, Uncle Mike?
I don't know. How they sell them by the pound?
I don't know either. They're aluminum, it looks like, almost. I'm thinking that one,
30 bucks. This one and that one are the same right there.
Yeah, I think they're more like, I think these are more like 50.
Maybe.
That one's 40 and that one's 40. And this one's 25. That's just my opinion though. What do I know? Then we have these chairs. They're kind of cool. They're made to look old. They're not like antiques. Oh, then we got, here's what you definitely need for a truck. Remember Uncle D used to use one of these in his truck? You don't got one. CB. Remember he would always be talking on that.
Yes, I remember.
I remember.
Bar stools with no legs.
I don't know if any of these are super valuable, but we got a Cobra DX 19.5. Then there's this Unidan Pro 15 5XL. This could be money too. It's a little scuffed up. So we got 1, 2 stools. What's this? Another light? I'm thinking this guy was doing some type of selling. Oh yeah, whole brand new setup. So we got one out the box we could take a look at. 45-inch reflector, the bulb by Hydro Farm Luminex series. Interesting. Interesting. They're made by Hydro Farm, so they're definitely for growing, because Hydro Farm is a plant, and you have these right here. So that'll be kind of cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna maybe just put them online at 40 bucks a pop or something, or 50 bucks a pop. I don't want to try to, I'm not trying to sell them for the 139 they have them on the store. You want to move and turn and burn, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. He took one in. That's 16 of them. That's money back as well. And then to wrap this unit up, to wrap up everything here before we're done and get on to the next one, we got a microwave, and we got this little LG television. This bad boy right here is a $20 flea market sale if I'm lucky. We got what, a $5 if I'm lucky magazine rack, and then we have a suitcase with nothing in it, and some rat turds. Rat turds are very common, and this looks like sleep bags. So I think it's safe to say that is a wrap in this storage unit. Fun day at the flea market. We were in and out, made some fast money. Already got over 1,000 back on that unit. We're just gonna get started. There we go. Boom, Uncle Michael doing his job. I'm gonna help him get to it. I think for 420 bucks, I'm gonna double my money or then some. Don't forget, tomorrow's video will be $1 unit right over there, a whole another 10 by 15. Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe. And Uncle Michael, are you all right? You got your shoes dirty?
No, not, no.
Oh my God. This is, we come to work, he's worried about getting his shoes dirty, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get a thumbs up for Uncle Mike.
Pirates, what's up? It is just another afternoon here at the Pirate Cave, and we have been looking online, and there's been a lot of talk and chatter around my area about a couple units. I happen to have one link to one of them. There was several units, and somehow somebody messed up big. I'm not talking big, I'm talking big, big, big. This is probably one of the most ignorant things I've ever seen in a storage unit. I don't know if people are going around just doing the backup bidder scam, if people have hit it big on the crypto, or if it's just sheer ignorance, but units are now selling for $1 million a piece. Here you are, you're moseying along. Ooh, look at this cute little unit. There's a little picture card. Oh, look at the nice white chairs. Oh yes, let's scroll back. Let's take a deeper look. What do we got here? Oh, the rules. Welcome to Pods. Oh, nice. 8 by 16. Nice stools, very trendy. You got that IKEA rug, you know. Oh, look, it's made in Italy. Of course it's good, right? Okay. So, we have this. Now, let me show you guys a little something, something. What in the f*** is that? What is that? What the hell is going on, guys? Come on. This is, I think the owner had a few units. This was in Hayward, California. Final high bid. $1 million. It wasn't the only one. There was like a couple of them that sold for $1 million. I'm waiting to see if somebody actually pays for it. If somebody knew some, what is that? What are those? What's the thing full of Coke? Like, I don't understand what could possibly be inside of an 8x16 that we're spending $1 million on. But this is the world we're living in. Stuff's getting out of hand. This is a scam going on. Backup bidder probably. So you run up each one with this account, have this account set in stone, and then you also have this account here that get receive the best offer you last bid on because you took out these middlemen here with your own bidding system. This is going on much. This is why I do not like online bidding sites, because this is a scam. In the real world, this is not a $3,000 storage unit. In a real world, in a live site, if it went for $3,000, somebody's gambling, rolling the dice. You know what I mean? But online auctions suck. That is what's ruining the business.